everyone, welcome to Burundi Real Estate and Automobile. As you know, we never cease to give you the best real estates, of course with automobiles inclusive. Today we are in Butanyerera, NGOZI, at a place called Gatare with one of the best houses you will ever see. This house is big, it has a big living room, it has the best restrooms and the best bedrooms that you will ever see. It has a parking that can hold up to 6 cars. So if it's cars for your guests, cars for yourself, it doesn't matter. Up to 6 cars parking. That is the house that we have for you today. So keep up as we move around and we tour around this great house. This is Easy Man. Don't forget to keep up. Of unseen living room. This is the biggest living room you will ever see. It's a 6x4, meeting modern standards to those wishing to have great things that reach our vision 2040. We know that's where we are all heading and that's our vision. So this room is just for you. You have children, a lot, I don't care. You have a lot, you have one, you have two. This living room is so big that you can have a place where your children can play in case you can access to them, or whether you need a place that you can rest, you're from work, you are tired, you need somewhere to rest. This living room is just for you, all with high standard doors, high standard windows and security, a great roofing that you will ever see. So if you need something like that, this chance is just right at your doorstep. Let's now see our most modern bedrooms that you will ever see. We are talking about 2040 standards. So let's go. As I was saying, this is our master bedroom. So beginning with first things first, this is our restroom. Very well organized restroom, modern restroom that meet our 2040 standards as we were talking about it. Master bedroom. This is a very high standard master bedroom to those wishing secure rooms with high standard windows with very strong doors to those wishing a good night's sleep. Of course, you can't have a good night's sleep without having security or tight security in your room. So everyone needing that, this chance is right at your doorstep. Still talking about rooms, we have 3 more bedrooms for you inclusive. Master bedroom, that's a sum of 4 rooms. 4 rooms in one house inclusive 2 restrooms. One inside the master bedroom and one right behind me. You have a room for your guests, you have a room for your children, you have an extra room to use it for however you want. And all these rooms built with modern standards, meeting the vision 2040 that we are all heading to. So you need something like this. Don't forget to call us on the number that you see right exactly on the screen. This chance, don't miss it out. It's right at your doorstep. Still talking about where you can park your cars. It doesn't matter. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4, up to 6 cars. This is your exact place. We have a very big parking for you where you can park 1, 2 to 6 cars. It doesn't matter. We have up to 6 places. Just look at this. This is just one place among the parking places. You think we are done? Come, let me show you how big this parking place is. It's upon you to make a choice and decide. Do you really need something like this? Don't forget to call us on the number that you see exactly on the screen. This is all our parking yard where you can park your cars. Up to 6 cars. Imagine 6 cars. Yes, you've heard the number right. 6 cars. So just call us and don't miss this chance. Right, I repeat, right at your doorstep, because if you miss it, you are going to regret. So do not. So everyone, as we've seen around, we've seen everything that is being contained in this house. So it's now your chance to decide. Do you need something like this? Something modern, something fit for the 2040 vision that we have? So don't forget to call us on the number that you see on the screen. This chance, as I repeat, it's right at your doorstep. Don't miss out unless you are going to regret. This was Ismail Omi. Don't forget to keep up with Burundi real estate and automobiles, because we have a bunch of things that we are going to throw at your face, and it's going to be you to make a choice of what's better for you and what's not. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and like.